Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to turn off outgoing message sounds on Viber. This option is especially useful if you want more discreet communication or if you use Viber in a quiet environment. Outgoing message sounds can be distracting, but fortunately, they are easy to disable. In this tutorial, you will learn how to adjust Viber so that it no longer emits sounds when you send messages. So, if you're ready, let's get started with the process. First, open your Viber app. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the three dots. In the menu, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, choose the Notifications option. Now, just look for the Outgoing Message Sounds option and tap on it to turn it off. That's all for this video, friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.